And here's something else, that 1 to 10 pain level, right? When I was being asked to through a website that through my health care provider, how much is your pain today? And this is like but before surgery. For five, blah, 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 blah. That's about in the middle, right? Really, it was. I'm gonna say it was one and a half. You know, it's like the difference between the waves in California and Hawaii. Uh, after you've been with it for so long, I mean, once you get to surgery, let's put it that way, you know what a 10 is, and you know what a constant 6 is, and I think that for the first couple of days, well, because of the nerve block, first day maybe it was 5, right, and then after the nerve block wore off, then it went up to 6 or 7, and it's like constant, and it's the entire from your knee to here, all the way around the back into here. Any movement where you try to move that thing, you'll know what I mean. So everything that we can do to design our own ergonomics, maybe it's not beyond what the medical profession has already found, but we haven't heard it yet. And to be enlisted as the patient in your own care seems to make a lot of sense. We work for some very important epidemics. So anyway, I'll be back.